Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will talk about Azure Arc. I'll show you the portal wherein you can connect to the servers and onboard them to the Azure Arc portal. And first of all, let me just go through the official documentation that was presented on the Microsoft blog regarding the Azure Arc this week. Here it is, Azure Arc extending Azure management to any infrastructure. So at Microsoft Ignite, we last week, Microsoft announced about the Azure Arc, a set of technologies that will extend the control plane of Azure out to on-premises and other multi-cloud environments and edge. It enables customers to have a central, unified, and self-service approach to manage their Windows and Linux servers, Kubernetes clusters, Azure data services, wherever they are. It also extends adoption of cloud practices like DEVOPS and Azure security across on-premise, multi-cloud, and edge. In addition to extending the control plane for management, Azure Arc enables customers to run Azure data services. We'll talk about Azure data services in the coming videos. So here is how Azure Arc management across the environment. Key aspect of Azure Arc is the Azure Resource Manager beyond Azure so that customers have a central and unified approach to manage Windows and Linux servers, Kubernetes clusters, and Azure data services. You can use Azure Arc to govern across environments. With Azure Arc, we can manage servers and Kubernetes clusters to get the following benefits. I'll paste the link of this blog in the description of the video so that you can read this in more detail if you want to. You can set universal governance of customers resource through Azure policy. You can standardize the RBAC across systems. You can enable application owners to apply and audit their applications to meet compliance requirements. And if you want to adopt the cloud practices on premises, Azure provides cloud DevOps, cloud native configuration management at scale for all Azure resources. Such cloud practices are optimized for developers that need immediate and programmatic access to resource to create new cloud native applications. And also you can deploy to and manage multiple locations at scale. So to explain, with Azure Arc, IT and development items can manage the app in existing stores and quickly light up a new location by automating error-prone and procedural tasks. At scale configuration and deployment based on Azure subscriptions, resource groups, and tags. You can GitHub-based model for deploying configuration as a code to or many clusters, application deployment, and update at scale. You can implement the Azure security anywhere through Azure Arc as well. So let's visit the Azure Arc page and see how it is going there. So if you would see the Azure Arc, it says for customers who want to simplify complex and distributed environments across on-premises, edge, and multi-cloud. Azure Arc enables deployment of Azure services anywhere and extends Azure migration to any infrastructure. So this is your Azure Arc. You can manage your on-premises. You can have multi-cloud environment. You can Azure Stack manage Azure Stack Edge as well. As mentioned before, you can organize and govern across environments. You can manage Kubernetes apps at scale. You can run data services anywhere through Azure Arc. If you scroll down and these are the use cases that are available. And you can start with the Azure Arc public review for Windows and Linux server management. So if you would click here, it will take you to the Azure Arc for servers page as well. So we'll cover this topic Azure Arc for servers, how you can connect machines to Azure using Azure Arc for servers through Portal in the next video. And so stay tuned, and till next time, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.